different. Oh, Emmett. Yes, it's a sock monkey. What are you doing? Emmett, what does a dog say? Good job. What does a cat say? Meow, yay. What does a cow say? Moo, moo, moo. What does a horsey say? Nay, yay, yay. What does a froggy say? Ribbit, yes, ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. What does a ghost say? Boo, good job. Yay, what does a sheep say? Ba, ba. Wow, you're so smart, man. You're so smart.
I think Emma deserves a reward.
I think so, too. I think Emma deserves a sock monkey. Oh, should we do sock monkey? Yeah? Yeah, sock monkey. Sock monkey. Hi, sock monkey. Want to give me a kiss? Oh, you're so sweet, giving sock monkey a kiss. Oh, you're going to give it to Daddy? Daddy does it better than Mommy? Oh, okay.
Okay, we're signing off.